In this tutorial, we will be creating some objects based on what we learned in previous tutorial. We will be creating this object. So let's start to draw. First of all, the 2D drawing or 2D sketch of the on plane of top plane. Okay. Open the SolidWorks. Click on File and click on New button, or you can also click Ctrl+N. Click on Advanced button and select part 0001 mm and smaller and click on OK. Now our main screen or working area work frame will be open. Wait for a second. It take a small time to load. If there is if you have a graphic card, you can also on graphic mode. Okay, now select the top plane and click on new sketch. Here very small sketch plane showing because we have selected part 0001 mm smaller. Go to the part. First of all, analyze the part to how to draw. Okay, let's make a sketch. Click on select corner rectangle or 2-point rectangle. Make rectangle from center by right clicking. Give smart dimension. Okay, 50 and 20, 50 by 20. Okay, make sure your drawing should be fully defined. Now extrude command, you can select by large and small, drag and drop on arrow. Okay, you can select the perspective view. You can view as the part like this. I am going to be off perspective view. So my back part, that is 50 by 20, has been created successfully. Now I'm gonna to sketch this part, that is 20 by 60. For that, select the top plane, create a sketch, Ctrl 8. Now select corner rectangle, make a rough sketch, give the dimension, that is 20 by 60 mm. I have selected mmgs because here our dimensions are in mm. Now give the width of 60. Extrude boss, extrude up to 10. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm gonna to make this part, that is height of 30 from the base or width of 10. Select this part, make a sketch rectangle, corner rectangle. Okay, give dimension of 20 by 20, that is square. Okay, now make extrude up to 30 from the base. So okay, we can extrude boss. Then from I am taking the reference from the base. For this, select the offset of 10 mm. Okay, and height of 10 mm, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30 mm from base, because base part is of 10 mm I'm making offset of 10 mm and extrude 10 mm. Okay, I think you are going to be understood perfectly. Select the plane face and make a sketch. I'm gonna do sketch 3D sketch. It's okay. Give dimension. Okay, 10 mm. Select, then control key and select the lines and edge and make the collinear. Now our drawing is completely fully defined. You can see here all sketch should be fully defined in 2D sketch in any software which you are going to be make. Extrude and up to next, it will get automatically the next edge or next face. Now our part is ready. Now you can see the perspective view of the part without perspective view or ortho. Okay, type of the views, edge, linear. Okay, okay, this is hidden line visible. It is helpful to make the drawing in AutoCAD or any 2D sketch file to give dimension. If you want to know the dimension or drawing videos of the SolidWorks, you can just comment me in comment box. If any query, you can also comment, or there is any other part if you want to make, you can ask me. I'm selecting the material, that is alloy 1353 Newton per meter square scale. Apply. Okay, now the material is going to be applied. Now appearance may be of any color or other, but the material is always same, that is we have selected previously, that is alloy, still alloy. Click on OK. This is real view. No problem if you don't have the graphic card. Okay, give the mass property. It will show you the cavity, mass, volume, surface area, CG, moment of inertia, etc, etc. It will have to select the material and the machining process to make the part on any CNC and other machines, or any analysis of this part is helpful. Now I am going to rendering this, so click on render. I'm already clicked. I have selected the maximum quality. Okay, click on OK. Click on final render. Continue without camera or perspective. It will take the perspective view as a camera, so there is no requirement to add any camera. So let's see how it's going to be rendering. It is depend on the hardware specification of your PC or computer or any machines which you are going to be using. So wait a second, sorry, wait a minute. I am going to be fast forward to save your time, your and also my, because it takes very much time. This tutorial, you can click on subscribe button, click on like. If there is any query regarding your part or any part of the SolidWorks or feature, you can comment me. I will try to respond very soon. Thank you for watching.